Welcome to this beginner's guide to Playwright. Don't worry, you don't need to be a developer or write a single line of code to understand this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Playwright is, why businesses use it, and how it could save your team hours every week. Here's the problem Playwright solves. Every time your website gets an update, someone on your team has to manually open a browser, click through every page, fill in forms, and check that nothing is broken. Then they have to do it all over again in a different browser. This is slow, boring, and easy to get wrong. Playwright fixes this completely. So what exactly is Playwright? Think of it as a robot that uses your website for you. It's software that controls a real web browser, automatically clicking buttons, filling in forms, reading pages exactly like a human would, but in seconds instead of minutes. It works on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, runs around the clock, and never makes mistakes from tiredness. Here's a helpful analogy. Imagine hiring a quality checker who is incredibly fast and never gets tired. A human tester takes 20 to 30 minutes, gets tired, might miss things, and can only test one browser at a time. Playwright does the same job in under 30 seconds, always gets it right, and tests every browser simultaneously. That is the core difference. What can Playwright actually do? Anything a human can do in a browser. It can click buttons and links, fill in forms and search boxes, take screenshots of every page, check that the right text appears, log into private pages, and even test how your site looks on a mobile screen. If a human can do it in a browser, Playwright can do it automatically. Who uses Playwright? It's not just for software companies. E-commerce businesses use it to check that checkout works before every sale. Healthcare portals use it to verify patient forms work correctly. Banks and fintech companies test login and payment flows. News and media sites confirm articles load properly. Any business that relies on a working website can benefit. Let's cover 3 key concepts in plain English. A test is a simple check like asking whether the login button works. Think of it as a question you ask your website. A test suite is a collection of tests that run together, like a full checklist before you go live. And headless mode just means Playwright is running invisibly in the background. The browser opens but you don't see it. How do you get started if you're not a developer? It's simpler than you think. Your job is to describe what to test. Write a list of the things users do on your site. Your developer then writes the Playwright tests once, which takes a few hours. After that, the tests run automatically every time the site is updated. You receive a simple pass or fail report. Green means all good, red means something needs fixing. No code required from you. Here's the business case in plain numbers. Teams typically see a 90% reduction in time spent on manual testing. Tests run overnight so you catch bugs before your customers do. Release cycles can be up to 3 times faster, and once set up, each test costs nothing to run. Playwright pays for itself the very first time it catches a bug before it reaches your customers. Ready to explore Playwright? Start at Playwright Dev for the official free documentation. Microsoft Learn has free beginner courses online, or simply show this video to your developer and ask them to set it up for you. Playwright is completely free, open source, and built and maintained by Microsoft. If your business has a website, Playwright is worth knowing about.